Hi guys, today I will be guiding you through how to use Gemini AI to create pictures. First, open the browser and head over to the Gemini. On the top, you will see the Gemini AI. Click on it to get access of it. Now this one is the first interface which you will see after logging in your account. So log in your account because without it, you can't use it. The next thing is, it's a bar where we can ask to Gemini to do something for you, just like you can ask Gemini to write a video script. Or you can ask whatever you want. Like in this video, I will ask to Gemini to create a picture. So first, let's analyze what type of picture Gemini can create. Can Gemini create human pictures or just cartoon type? So let me ask first. Below you will see it generate a simple picture. In order to download, I need to click on it. Time to generate our picture with the help of Gemini. And the only thing you have to do is you have to describe about your picture, described as much as you can. So with the help of the prompt, Gemini can easily create a picture for you. So let me write. So I wrote this prompt. Click on this icon, submit, but before tapping on it, here you can see a plus icon, click on it. And here you can upload your files from your computer or even from your Google Drive. I will not do anything, so therefore I will on submit. Now it's generating the image, and it will take some time, and once it will be finished, I will show you the result. You can see the picture generated by Gemini, and it's the human picture, not cartoon, so it means Gemini can create human pictures. Now I will write another prompt. And this time, I will ask to Gemini to generate a picture in cartoon style. So let me write after it. I will hit submit, and it's start processing, and here you can see the picture is in cartoon style. In order to download, click on this icon and download this image in your computer. And by this, you can generate picture in Gemini, whether you want to generate in cartoon style or in human style. It's up to you. And that's it.